In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to analyze page speed using Google Speed Insight, step by step. So let's get started. Go to Google and search for Page Speed Insights, select the second result of Google developers. Now go to WordPress and copy your site link, then paste it here in this bar and click on Analyze button. So now it is analyzing the page. Once done, here you can see your page speed, which is for mobile. You can check speed for desktop from here as well. Then below we have more data. Then we have opportunities, which are suggestions that can help your page to load faster. Click on the first one and here you can see their suggestions to increase your page speed. Then we have diagnostics, etc. Now let's go to desktop from top, and here we can see that the speed has changed for desktop. Here on right, we have desktop preview of the site, then we have data. Similarly, here also we have opportunities, which are suggestions that can help your page to load faster. You click on them and check out their suggestions for your page. Next we have diagnostics. Let's open this one and here we can see more details about it. So this is how you can analyze page speed using Google Speed Insight. Thank you for watching.